If you're still writing your Facebook ads manually, it's time to rethink your workflow. I'm going to show you how AI, specifically tools like ChatGPT and Pencil, can write Facebook ads faster, cheaper, and in some cases, better than you can. Now, that's not to say AI replaces a good marketer. It doesn't. But when used right, it enhances your copy, speeds up testing, and gives you high-performing variations you might never think of yourself. Let me walk you through how I use AI to write and optimize Facebook ads step by step. Step 1. Set the objective. Before I write a single word, I clarify the campaign goal. Is it lead generation, direct purchase, clicks to a landing page? This affects everything, from tone to structure to CTA. I also make sure I understand the offer clearly. What's the hook? What's the real value to the customer? Once I have that, I move into ChatGPT. Here's how I brief it. Act as a direct response copywriter. Write 5 Facebook ads for a product that helps freelancers find new clients. The goal is to drive sign-ups for a free trial. Keep the tone friendly, persuasive, and scroll-stopping. It gives me a mix of headlines, primary text, and CTAs. And here's what's interesting. ChatGPT tends to offer diverse angles. Some focus on pain points, others on benefits. Some use storytelling. That's exactly what you want for A/B testing. But here's the key. I don't just accept the outputs. I refine them. Step 2. Test angles. I take the first draft and ask ChatGPT to rewrite each version with a different angle. For example, now rewrite version 2, but focus more on fear of missing out. Try version 4 again, but lead with a question. Make version 1 shorter and snappier for mobile users. This process gives me a full range of emotional and structural angles, fast. Now let's talk about Pencil, which is an AI ad generation platform built for Facebook and Instagram creatives. What I love about Pencil is that you can input your product details, upload your assets, and it builds multiple full ad creatives, including copy, visuals, and layout. It's especially useful for e-commerce brands, or if you're running ads at scale. Pencil also tracks performance and uses machine learning to recommend what types of copy and creative tend to work best for your niche, so you're not guessing, you're learning as you go. Here's how I use both tools together. I use ChatGPT to write the initial ad copy and test different hooks. Then I use Pencil to plug that copy into dynamic visual templates and generate full ads. After the ads run, I return to ChatGPT and say, here's the top performing ad copy. Create 5 variations using the same structure but swap the hook. It becomes a performance-driven feedback loop. Now, if you want even faster results, here are a few prompting tips that can massively improve output quality. Give examples. Paste in a high-performing ad from your brand and say, write something similar, but for this new product. AI learns by example. Specify the structure. Facebook ads typically have a hook, body, CTA. So say, give me ad copy with a 1-line hook, a 3-sentence body, and a CTA with urgency. Use real objections. I like to say, write copy that addresses this objection. I've tried similar tools before and they didn't work. When the AI works with actual barriers your customers have, the result feels way more persuasive. Let's talk results. Using this workflow, I've produced 10 to 15 ad variations in under an hour, and often, the AI-written version beats my original in click-through rate. Not always, but often enough that it's worth testing every time. And even when it doesn't win, it gives me new ideas, new phrasing, and new angles I wouldn't have come up with on my own. So, does AI write Facebook ads better than you? Sometimes yes. But more importantly, it helps you write better ads, faster. If you're still doing it all manually, you're not being lazy, you're just being inefficient. Let me know in the comments what your go-to ad workflow looks like and hit like, subscribe.